Lovelies, did you know that over 180 million people are now using AI tools like ChatGPT every single month, every single damn day? Do you know that? And guess what? Thousands of content creators are equally and quietly using it to make $500 to $5,000 online every month. Hey, you still stuck thinking ChatGPT is just for writing essay? Think again. I'm here, I'm an example girl. In this video, I'm going to be revealing for you 4.5 easy ways to use ChatGPT to make real money online in 2025 and beyond, especially if you're a content creator on platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video. The video that I'm going to show you that there are easiest ways to use ChatGPT and make money in 2025 if you're a social media creator. Stick around till the end such that you can know in the last one, that is in the 4.3. This one is a hidden gem that almost nobody talks about, but it's quietly changing the lives of very many people. Special thanks to our engagers, special thanks to our team, Immaculate Show. You guys, if you're a subscriber and you're new here, thank you very much. This is what we do. We are not professors, we are not financial advisors or financial guru, but we are kind of people that says, let's contribute, let's embarrass, let's talk about the things that are working for us to others. There is no competition here. Without talking much, let's dive in and see exactly what, how many, what, and where are these. The 4.3 is a ways to use ChatGPT on making money online in 2025. The first one is script writing and content planning. Why do I make it number one? I'm doing it number one because when number one is using ChatGPT to write viral scripts for your content. Why? Whether you're creating YouTube shorts, TikToks, or Facebook Reels, ChatGPT can help you. It helps you in different ways because it is helping me. It helps us write catchy hooks, structure our video for retention. It makes the evergreen content. It even generates for us series of ideas that boost our followership. So if you're out there, let me give you, like, for example, if you go to ChatGPT and say you type in, ChatGPT is both premium and free. Type in a text like, write me a 30-second script for motivational reel about financial freedom. Boom. In a 30 seconds, in a second, you'll get your high-performing content to film today. No matter what, there is no more writing, maybe writing broke. Just create a short and post. That's it. ChatGPT eases work for you. Then the second way, it is to monetize blog with ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to write blogs and articles, then post them on monetized platforms. For example, platforms like Medium Partner Program is doing this, Vocal Media, or your own blog with Google AdSense, you can also this one. So go there. Each time people read your articles, you get paid. ChatGPT can help you to write SEO optimized articles because everything that is paid on Google, it has to be at least SEO optimized. Product reviews, tutorials, and how to do guides. So go out there and make sure you can do one of them. One creator wrote 10 articles using ChatGPT and made over $800 in 2 weeks on Medium. Is it possible? If that person could do it, why not you? The third one is digital products and ebooks. This one is one of my darling. You create and sell ebooks or digital guides using ChatGPT. Whether it's how to grow TikTok, how to grow YouTube, Bible study journals, beginner workouts, is it on health and meals? You can use ChatGPT to write the content, format it with tool like Canva, and even sell it on different platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, Amazon KDP. All these one, they are free of charge. One viral reel plus a simple 7 ebook, it is equal to a passive income. You will just sit there, the money will be coming, people will be buying the book. You'll even forget about working for anyone, anywhere. The fourth is caption and content repurposing. You guys, let me tell you about ChatGPT on here. Let ChatGPT become your personal content repurposing assistant or personal assistant. For every long video or idea that you post, ask ChatGPT to turn into a caption for Instagram. Write a tweet or LinkedIn post. Extract quotes for reels. This is what I do. In minutes, one piece of content becomes 5 to 7 pieces posted across all platforms. More visibility equals more money. Never forget that. When we go to the last one I told you, this is what I love most. Create and sell ChatGPT prompts. Hey, this one is the hidden gem. You can sell your own ChatGPT prompt packs. How do you do it? If you've mastered how to use prompts to go viral, write sales copies, you can even grow tubes, you can grow YouTube, you can even write content faster than any other person that is doing it. You package them together into a PDF, call it 50 ChatGPT prompts for Reels creators or viral ChatGPT prompts for Facebook, and sell it for $5 to $15. Who will refuse them? Because people can be very happy. Even if I'm the one and I hear someone is selling me a 50 viral ebook that has 50 ChatGPT prompts for reels on Facebook, I'll buy them because I'll not suffer in any way. People will pay for convenience. Content creators on Etsy and Gumroad are making hundreds and even thousands from simple, helpful prompts. So what you do, please go there. Make sure we can make this money with ChatGPT. These are easy ways. Now listen, in 2025, ChatGPT isn't replacing creators. Most people started fearing, I remember, not only creators, but even employers and employees. They started thinking that ChatGPT is going to replace them. No, it's empowering creators who are ready to work smart. So don't be left behind. Don't be there and give an excuse that, I was very busy today, that's why I didn't have content because I could not transcript. No. That is a pure lie. You are here being empowered. What you need to do, start with one of these ways, out of these 4 ways. Use ChatGPT consistently. Don't use it today and fail to use it tomorrow. Then turn your phone ideas into income. That's as simple as that. So guys, my family, if you've reached here without even liking and sharing this video, what could be the problem? Just go to the comment section. Let us know whether this video has helped you. You can also like it. You can tell us what you like most or what have you been using among these 4 ways. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye-bye.